Hi, and welcome back. A while ago, we said we would be solving the exercise from the point of view of a person who is in charge of productivity in a given company. Remember? Let's allow ourselves to be a bit more specific now. At some point, especially if you are a business intelligence analyst, you want to be able to do the following: gather relevant employee data, run a model, and obtain results that will clearly show whether or not each of these individuals is expected to be absent for more than 3 hours during a workday. But behind the scenes, there's always a team working on the development of the model. This team will be composed of data scientists, machine learning engineers, mathematicians, and programmers. However, if you are a BI analyst, most probably you won't be part of that group, because your objectives will be different, and they will be to analyze, visualize, and interpret the results obtained by the model. Therefore, we will assume the following scenario. You are the business intelligence analyst. A separate team has prepared a Python module containing the code capable of running the machine learning code, representing the model. By the way, please be careful when using the terms module and model. They sound similar, however, they have quite different meanings. The model refers to the analytical tool applied to solve the business problem, while the module is a software component containing the code that will in fact help us execute the model. Having said that, assume the module you have been given is called the absenteeism module. What should we do to run it in Python? First, let me tell you that there are 2 ways to do that. The first one is to download a module in the classical way, which is through Anaconda Prompt. However, it is not straightforward to prepare a new module that is easily accessible for everybody through pip or conda install. Alternatively, the second way involves working with so-called custom-made modules. It consists in saving such modules locally. All you need is the module file. In this exercise, we have opted for the latter, as it is both more common and more appropriate. Let's see how it can be applied using Jupyter. There will be 5 important files. All of them must be in the same folder so everything runs smoothly for you. The first one is the notebook file we will use, marked with the extension IPYNB. We have the CSV file containing the information we will be working with. We have a .py file. And according to the Python documentation, a module is a file containing Python definitions and statements with the suffix .py. So, apparently, that's the absenteeism module. Okay, great! Finally, there will be supplementary files. In this case, there are 2 of them, and they are called model and scalar. They contain all the information needed for our module to use the machine learning model prepared beforehand. To sum it up, even if you haven't prepared the machine learning code yourself, these 5 files will be enough to take advantage of your colleague's work. All right, here you can take a little break, and we'll continue in our next video. Thank you for watching.